Did you know that over half of the calories people eat now come from ultra-processed foods? That's right, more than half. Today, we're talking about natural foods versus supplements and what actually nourishes you. Simple choices on your plate can change your health. Let's make sense of it. Life in the modern world is a constant whirlwind. We're all juggling demanding careers, family responsibilities, and a never-ending to-do list. The mental load is immense, leaving us feeling drained. And when you're running on empty, convenience isn't just a preference, it's a survival tactic, especially when it comes to our food choices. The food industry understands this pressure perfectly. They invest billions convincing us that their packaged products are the easy solution, using clever marketing to catch our eye. To make us feel good about these choices, labels shout fortified or low-fat, creating a health halo. But this often hides a long list of sugars and additives. This contradiction is incredibly frustrating, leaving people feeling confused and overwhelmed right in the supermarket aisle. So, we give up and reach for the familiar processed item. It feels safer, faster, and requires no extra thought. But what if you could cut through the noise? Small, practical changes can make a huge difference, and they don't require a total lifestyle overhaul. Natural or whole foods are foods that remain as close to their original state as possible. Think of an apple from a tree, or a potato from the earth. They don't have long ingredient lists because the ingredients, providing nature's pure goodness. The magic of whole foods is their complexity, delivering a powerful package of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and plant compounds called phytonutrients. These components work together in what's known as food synergy. This teamwork helps protect your cells and provides a steady, sustained release of energy. For instance, a fresh orange gives you vitamin C and crucial dietary fiber, which slows sugar absorption. A processed orange drink or supplement might deliver vitamin C, but it's stripped of the essential fiber and other compounds, so you miss the full benefit. The same is true for grains. Whole oats contain beta-glucan, a fiber great for heart health and keeping you full. In contrast, processed instant packets or sugary cereals often remove this fiber and load up on sugar instead, which can lead to an energy crash. Whole proteins and healthy fats, like grilled fish or a handful of nuts, provide sustained nutrients your body easily recognizes. A processed snack bar may add back isolated vitamins, but it lacks the complete food matrix and often comes with unwanted sugars and preservatives. Supplements can feel like an easy insurance policy, especially when life is busy. They do give concentrated doses of specific nutrients when needed. But a pill can't recreate the 100+ beneficial compounds in a single carrot. Supplements isolate nutrients. They miss the food matrix and synergistic effects. Supplements can certainly help when a doctor identifies a specific clinical deficiency, but they're not a blanket replacement for varied whole foods. Let's start with some simple, powerful swaps. Instead of white bread, choose a hearty whole wheat or sourdough loaf. This isn't just about an instant fiber boost for better digestion. The complex carbs provide sustained energy, helping you avoid that dreaded afternoon slump and feel fuller for longer. Feeling thirsty? Ditch the sugary soda for sparkling water with a squeeze of fresh lemon. And when you need a snack, trade salty crisps for a handful of unsalted nuts. You'll get healthy fats and protein that offer lasting satisfaction and fuel your brain, a far cry from empty calories. For breakfast, swap sugary cereal for full-fat Greek yogurt with berries. And a clever kitchen hack, bulk up sauces with grated carrots and courgettes for a hidden veggie boost. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Just one or two of these swaps this week will stack into real, sustainable change. Natural foods deliver complex nutrition, food synergy, and long-term benefits, not pills. Small swaps add up. More energy, better health, and tastier meals. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite healthy swap? Click here for meal prep ideas to make healthy eating effortless, and subscribe for more.